All right, welcome. We're going to take a short tour of the Tulco Industrial Storage Inventory Control Program. This is where you would go and your materials management specialists would go to track your current inventory that is in storage at Tulco and to find out details about it, and of course to help you plan and manage your inventory. All right, first thing, this is a secure environment, so you would log in with your account information. It's very intuitive and easy to use. Once you're logged into the inventory control program, you'd access your client menu, and of course that brings us into the database itself for your account. There is a quick setup screen where you would import all the information for the project, and of course the holding company and the project itself. All right, and if you return back to the home menu, that will bring you back to the startup screen, and also to get directly to your inventory you can simply click the inventory button. This will open up the database of inventory items, and at a glance you can see each inventory item in its entry. This is virtually unlimited. It doesn't matter. The database will hold as many items as you can put in our storage facilities. So each item has its own record stored in the database, and to find out more details beyond the basic information that's displayed in this table, which of course is the record ID. That's the number of the item in storage at Tulco, and of course the sub-item number, and a quick description, and how many is on hand, how many you have on hand in storage, and its location. If you want to go deeper into that item and find out more details, simply select it to open up the database, and that will bring you into a visual inventory record for that item. You'll get a photograph of the item as it sits in the facility. So that gives you a quick reference visually if you don't happen to know the exact part number, or if you're confused, you actually have a picture to go by. That's why we use this visual inventory management system. We found that to be very, very helpful to our clients. Then of course you have a breakdown of all the information about this piece of stored equipment, including its item number, whether or not it is serialized, or if the piece itself is part of a kit. And of course that information can be handled in this upper section. And of course there is a description of the item, and the location information, including the building and the bin that it is in, for quick location reference, how many of the item you have on hand, and of course minimum and maximum triggers for your inventory levels that you'd like to maintain. You can also include, extended information, of course the vendor that you got it from, and an alternate vendor for that particular item, and as well as departments and sub-departments. Also further details, including a comment section for you. All right, and there are also transfer order areas at the bottom to help you manage changes if you have to consolidate your inventory and move them from one building to another. All that is available to you here in the Tulco Visual Inventory Program. All right, that's a quick tour. We hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.